Tired of juggling spreadsheets and chasing down rent checks? Let's unlock the power of Zillow Rental Manager to simplify your landlord life. First, head to Zillow Rental Manager and click List a Rental to showcase your property to millions of potential renters. Fill out all the details: address, number of bedrooms and bathrooms, rent price, and a captivating description highlighting your property's best features. Don't forget to upload high-quality photos and maybe even a video walkthrough. Next, set up tenant screening. Zillow lets you easily run background checks and credit reports to find qualified tenants. Collecting rent becomes a breeze with online payments. Set up payment methods, schedule automatic reminders, and say goodbye to late fee excuses. Finally, manage your leases digitally. Zillow provides customizable lease templates that you can easily adapt to your specific needs. Electronically sign and store everything securely. And that's it. Zillow Rental Manager helps you list, screen, collect rent, and manage leases all in one place, making renting a whole lot simpler.